American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. And we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. We bought a lot of classic cars here and had to fix a lot of problems. Classic cars can be your biggest money pit or your best investment. When I was a kid, hanging down at the Loop, snuck out of the house way past my bedtime, and I saw a jet black 1967 Street Beast. Red Stinger hood, red guts. That car peeled out around all four corners of that Loop. All I could say is, damn. And that's why I started American Dream Machines. Welcome to American Dream Machines. Everybody wants a piece of the American dream. American Dream Machines is rock and roll and beautiful cars. It was Hendrix, Born to be Wild, and Heavy Metal Thunder. These were the designs of Harley Earl, a masterpiece grille. These are the cars that people dreamed about in the 50s, and they still dream about them today. True works of art on four wheels. Welcome to Car Heaven. The quality of our cars every year gets better and better. And this 4,000 square foot studio tells no lies. American Dream Machines was inspired by the fire-breathing big block designs of Duntop and Bill Mitchell. These were the baddest cars in 1967. It's not all about the numbers. If we can get 500, 600, 700 horsepower in one of these street beasts, it's a whole lot of fun. At American Dream Machines, we've purchased thousands of cars over the years, and we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. Our mechanics and restoration staff here are the dream team, and they get 200 cars a year ready for our customers.
Yes, I love that.
American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. We have beautiful cars here, and you should own one. So you want to drive the Buick in the back? Just living the dream.